How to fix Facebook not working. Now, if Facebook isn't working, start by checking your internet connection and restarting the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app by checking for updates in your App Store. You want to also clear the app's cache and data in your phone settings. Head to your phone settings. You will then select General. Here, head to iPhone Storage. Now search for the Facebook application. You will then tap on Offload App and confirm by clicking on Offload App. This won't delete your data, but rather fixes the app glitches and bugs that cause application crashes. Get back and simply tap onto the application to reinstall it back. Your Facebook will eventually work normally once again. Now, if that still didn't work for you, restart your device and also disable any VPNs or ad blockers that might interfere with the app. Also check if Facebook is down for everyone by using a site like Down Detector. Well, that's how easy it is to fix Facebook not working. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.